Yeah. Okay. This is the public network. So I think we have completed the user, right?
Hi, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. And today we will see the profile. Okay, how to manage the profile. So firstly, we need to check the database is not running. Listener is also not running. So start the listener first, turn off first, connect to the database. Start of the database. Database is up and running. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
I think we have created one user, right?
Hi, sir.
Uh, Username. Here we can see all the user have the default profile. So this is the
Hi,
default
sir.
profile, which is like provided by or given by Oracle only. Okay, so as
Yeah,
you can see, all the user have the default profile.
right.
Okay, so here system and sysOps. So it's fine for the system and sysOps, but when you are working on the production, there is some like any other user, like we have user one.
Yes,
Okay, so on the production, as you know that as per the application requirement, you have the like schema name. Okay,
hi,
so
sir.
it's,
Here we have two schemas. I
okay,
understand that.
yeah. So same like here we have created one user and then profile is by default, but some of the client in auditing, client is asking, our auditor asked to change the default profile. We cannot keep a default profile for our user, like for application user. Okay, so what we will do, we need to create a profile here. Firstly, I will show you the default profile value, means what type of value like Oracle has assigned to the default profile. So from DBA underscore profile, we will get the detail, like the profile also. We know that what is the profile. So I will get lines 100. For resource name for A20, A20 or limit for A30. Select resource name, comma, limit from DBA underscore profile, where profile equal to default. Okay, so this is the default profile value.
Okay.
So what we will do, we will increase the size of resource name for A30. Okay, so this is the default profile value. Okay, so here we can see means as per the auditor or client requirement, na. So they are asking ideal time, it should be 10 or 15. And here, as we can see, Oracle has given unlimited. Okay, password lifetime, password failed time. So some of the clients uh, wants this password failed login attempt, uh, maximum 30 or 3. Okay, so if you are trying to connect to the database uh, 3 times, and in 3 times, if you have given the correct password, then fine. Either after 3 attempts, it will be locked.
Okay.
Okay. And this is the password lifetime. So this is the 180, means for 6 months or 180 days. Okay, so 180 days means within a 180 days, you need to extend the password by using alter user username and identified by and give the password. Okay, so this is the default means this is the value which is
What will
provided.
command by alter?
Alter user, I will show you. I'll show you.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the default profile. So always remember, we cannot change anything, or we cannot do anything in the default, because this is the this value is given by Oracle only. It's decided by Oracle only. So Oracle has given all the value for their user only. Okay. But if you want to change, like if client is saying you need to give that value to the, we can say, we need to give the new value. So always remember, um, yeah. So always remember, sometimes means like from the client side or means for the application, maximum they want to reset the value for ideal, okay, failed login attempt, password lifetime, and reuse and remake password verify function, lock time, and password also they want to reset the value or set the value for password grace time. Okay, so these are the 6, 7 resources which a client wants to change. Okay, so you can create a new profile. Okay, and you can change means like and assign that profile to the user, and we can do that like online. We don't need any downtime. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So we don't need any downtime. So what we can do, we will create a profile, okay, and then we will assign that profile to the user. And as we have seen, like our user one uh, uh, have the default profile, and default value, as we can see, these are the default profiles. Okay, so what we will do, we will create a profile first. So we will, I think copy and paste is not working in the I think it works. Mm, No, not working. So what we will do, uh, so we will create a new profile, create profile, and give the profile name. Any profile name like we are giving test. Okay, and it test. Let me copy that and try to open a notepad. File test. limit, right, MPO composite underscore limit unlimited password lifetime password lifetime like I am giving unlimited and we copy that password reuse password reuse time unlimited and then just copy the password reuse max and then value unlimited password verify function is null password log time unlimited. Base time and failed login attempt. Okay, so this is the our profile. So what I will do will copy the command from the pick the first one and let's get the English. So here we have the command. Okay, so just copy this command. Here we have the test profile only. Okay. So this is the test profile which we have given. So suppose as we know that our user have a different profile. Select username profile from DBA underscore user, where username equal to user1, right? So here the user1 profile is default.
Yeah.
Now we will change it from default to test. So by using alter user1 profile
Okay.
test. Okay. Now again we will check the user profile. Now here we can see the test. Okay. So how to create a profile and how to change it for user. So also I will copy that profile command. So this is the profile creation. Paste it here. Then after, how to assign that profile to the user by using trailer. Sorry, alter.
But then here alter command, alter user1 profile test.
Yes, yes.
So what is that? I mean, backend, what is the, we make it a test now. So after making test, what will happen from backend like?
Your user will not use the default profile. It will use the whatever the profile we have created.
Okay, currently what we have created recently test profile. So those whatever the parameters have to test profile, it will use it.
If you want to change anything in that profile, then definitely you will do. But default is created for what? Default is created by Oracle only. So
Yeah,
if
okay.
if we have changed something, okay, and
Yeah.
you will get any problem or anything in future. Suppose and
Okay.
Oracle said ki like whatever the value you have before change, so you need to keep that value only. You need to give that value only. Then what you will do on that time? Because you don't have any backup of that your user profile. Okay.
Right.
So what you can do, you can create a new profile and you can change whatever you want to change. You can change it.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the one. And here as we can see the value of the test. Okay. So now we will change the value. Like here we have failed login attempt unlimited. But I want to change like 3.
Okay.
So also I will show you if we will keep 3 and then we'll again try to connect to that user, then what will happen.
Okay.
So
Okay.
suppose what is the profile name? Profile name is test. So uh, mm, failed login attempt we will change, na? So alter profile name limit limit failed login attempts. And we will keep 3 only. Okay.
Yeah.
The failed login attempt. Then again, we will check the test value. Here you can see failed login attempt. Before that, we had
23.
unlimited, and now we have 3 only.
Yes, right.
What we will do, like if you will try to connect to the user one, and if you are means like if you are able to give the correct password in 3 times.
Yes, okay.
Okay, so within a 3 times, if you will give the correct password, then it will connect to the user. Okay, either
Okay.
it will be if you will not be able to give the correct password in 3 times, then your user account will be locked. So here I will show you, like select username, account status, profile from DBA underscore users, where username equal to user one. Okay.
User form.
Oh, sorry. User one. Okay. Now account status is open. And what we will do, we will try to connect to that user, and we will give the wrong password for 3 times. Okay. And then after we'll see what happened. Because here we have said alter failed login attempts 3 times. So what we will do, we will try to connect to the user one, and we will give the wrong password, like whatever, and it got failed first time. Then again we will give the second time, and again we will give something wrong. Okay, and again we will try third time. Okay, and we'll give the wrong password. Okay.
Yes.
And now we have given 3 times. Okay,
Yes, right.
connect to the SQL Plus, and again we will check the user one account status.
Okay.
Here you can see the account status is locked.
Yeah, right.
Lines 100. And here we can see account is locked. Before that, it was showing open, right? And we have
Right.
tried to connect to the user 3 times, and we have given the wrong password. Okay, so that's why user account got locked. So what we will do, we will unlock the account first. So by using, as I like shown you in last session, by using alter username, account, unlock, right?
Yeah.
Now again, we will check the account status. Now account is okay. Okay. So
Yeah.
this is the profile thing. Like as per the requirement, how you can like keep the values for the parameters, profile parameters. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the value and these are the things like for what means like also like your application or your client will give you the detail or auditor will give you the detail what ideal time they want to set, how much CPU per session or how much sessions per user they wanted to connect to the database, what value they want to keep for failed login attempt, what the value they want to keep for password lifetime. Okay, so
Okay.
depend on the client and all. Okay, so whatever the requirement, you just means like you need means like you need to know how we can change, how we can create a profile, how we can assign a profile, and how we can change inside the profile value. Okay, so this
Yeah.
is the command to change something in the profile. If you want to change anything, we have changed only for failed login attempt. Okay, in support, if you want to change it for what we can say for like a password lifetime. Okay.
Yeah.
So here you just need to copy it. And here you just need to give that password lifetime value from here and replace with here, and value you can give the 30. 30 means it's a 30 days.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah, so password lifetime means we are giving the value in days. Okay. Yeah. So here we will copy this and will here we can see the before that it's showing password lifetime is unlimited, right?
Yeah.
But now we will change that limit from unlimited to 30 days only. Okay.
Yeah.
And then again we will check the profile detail. Again we will check the profile detail. Before that it was showing lifetime. Now after change we'll see just a second, call limit for 30. So here we can see the password lifetime. Now it's showing 30.
That's right.
Okay. So how to change the limit of the resources, profile resources? So that was the command. Okay. And how to create a profile, how to assign a profile to the user, and how to change the resource limit in the profile. So like this, all these are the commands. How we can change, how we can like give all those things.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the commands. And now our like
And may know which cases we all do all the things, right? Just only like from any client end, that user like INS. Example here, user one is the user here.
yeah.
So it is user for the client request will create the user, right?
Yeah, like look, every means like every application have a dependency on on a particular schema, right?
Yes, right.
And schema is nothing but a user.
Okay.
All the tables and everything is available inside that schema only. Okay. So it means your application dependency will be on the schema. And who will give that schema or schema structure? It will be provided by the client or the application in only. You no need to create the like users or schema. You no need to create a tables and everything. You no need to design the means like that application requirement. Okay, it will be designed by the application in one. Maybe you will be like, suppose you are going to work on the BFSI domain, like you are going to work on the online transaction application. Okay. So you don't know which type of value come to the which table. So it is designed by the RBI only, and they will give you the schema structure. Okay. You just need to import that schema. Also, they have like suggest you you need to create this table space first. Okay, and then you will import that schema in the database. So I think we have only 1 minute. So what we will do?